Welcome to the School User Area of Cinnamon webinar, where we will guide you through how to use the system. My name is Kelly.
And I am Karina, and we are the admin leads for Hampshire.
Agenda. In today's session, these are the items we will be covering and show you how to get the best out of the system. Registering as a new user. Once you have opened the link for Cinnamon, ensure you are in the school area by clicking on the top black bar. To register as a new user, click here under the login section. Enter your work email address and chosen password. The password must contain one non-letter or digit and have one lowercase letter. An email will be sent to you from Cinnamon asking you to verify your address. Do this by clicking the orange box in the middle of the page. If this does not appear, please ensure you have clicked Display Images or Download Images. You will then be taken to the account confirmation page. Please email us when you see this so that we can apply permissions. You will not be able to log in before this step is completed. Two-factor authenticator. We will then apply permissions and allocate your school access. You will then need to log into Cinnamon before the end of that week to complete the process. This will ensure you are not removed by our security audit. When you first log in, you need to click Get Code for this to be emailed to you. Add the code and click Remember Me in the box to prevent having to do this each time you log in.
Returned forms. When you log in now, you will see on the left-hand side the Returned Forms reports. This will show you all the parents that have completed a consent form, including those that have declined. The first table will show the overall compliance of the number of forms returned. It will calculate the number of yes consents, no consents, and those that have not submitted and therefore incomplete. If the cohort number is incorrect, please let us know, as this could affect your compliance figure. You can click the title of each column in the table to sort them. You can also see the consent for each child. Those that have declined are highlighted in orange. Please use this list to work out who has still not returned a form and chase them before the system closes. You can use the drop-down list to select different year groups, and there is also an export button should you wish to open the data in an Excel CSV file. Immunisation list. Back in the school area, you can see the middle section titled To be used for session. The immunisation list will only show those students who are due to be vaccinated that day. Again, this table can be sorted by clicking on the titles of the columns. Here you can see that some students will need the injectable version of the nasal spray and will be reviewed by the nurses. These will be highlighted in blue. The top box will show you how many nasals and how many injectables are due to be given that day. You can also export this data should you wish to use this file to create name labels for those in Year R, Year 1 and Year 2. The immunisation list is only valid on the day that it is run.
Vaccinated reports. Back in school area, the third section is vaccinated reports. This can only be used after the session in school and will show the breakdown of each year group and the percentage vaccinated. You can use this table to compare to the previous years that will be emailed to your head teacher. The cohort number is based on the whole year group and relates to the percentage vaccinated of the cohort. The target set by NHS England is 75%. The percentage vaccinated relates to the number of the yes consent forms we've received. For flu, there will be community clinics available for those who are unable to be vaccinated in schools. Reminders and tips. The website to the Cinnamon page is www.hiowhealthcareimmunisations.co.uk. Reminder: once your permissions have been applied after registering your email, you will need to log into the system by the end of the day on Friday to avoid being removed in the security audit. Top tip. During flu season, the two-factor code sometimes is delayed coming through to your email, so allow yourself plenty of time to register on the system before your session. Reminder. Use the returned forms list to help identify who has and hasn't submitted a form. Reminder. Use the immunisation list to plan who should attend the session on the day. Top tip. Keep an eye on your cohort figures to ensure they are accurate. Please let the team know if anyone has joined or left your school. Thank you for taking the time to listen to our webinar. We hope you found it useful. Please don't hesitate to contact us on the emails on the screen if you need any further assistance.